Today I'm going to show you how to make really easy, delicious pecan smoked salmon. Let's get started. First, we're going to put some olive oil on our salmon. This helps it not dry out while we're on the smoker. We're going to make sure we cover the tops and the sides, getting the little wedges there, and we're going to flip them around and get the back side of the skin. This will help make sure that the fish does not stick to the grates of the smoker and ruin your fish as you pull it off. Go ahead and put a nice little coating on it, nothing too much. You don't want to soak it, just a little drizzle. And go ahead and brush it on the sides, on the tops. Make sure you get all of their salmon brushed with olive oil. Okay, we're going to flip them back around here. We're going to grab our Lowry's garlic salt, and we're going to put a nice little coating of garlic salt on it. And then we're going to grab our Bachan sweet honey barbecue sauce. This is a Japanese barbecue sauce that's absolutely delicious. It pairs perfectly with this salmon. We're going to glaze the top, brush it in, make sure we get the sides as well. After we're done glazing, go ahead and let the salmon rest for 30 minutes to kind of let the Japanese barbecue sauce sit into the meat a little bit. Make sure to put it in the fridge. Alrighty, our smoker is up to temp here at 225. We're gonna place our Japanese barbecue sauce coated salmon. Make sure when we place it on the smoker, we're placing it kind of around the center. Notice the heat deflector below. If you place it on the outside, it may overcook the salmon in some areas. We're just wanting to make sure that indirect heat is being fully used. All right, we're gonna close the smoker and we'll see you in 30 minutes. All right, we're back. This salmon is looking delicious. We're just gonna make sure we temp it, and it's looking at 131.5. That's perfect. We want to be around 130, 132. We're gonna take the salmon off the smoker. Notice how I mentioned earlier, adding olive oil to the back of the skin really helps keep it from sticking to the grate when you're pulling off. No one likes, ruined fish. All right, we're gonna take our glazed salmon here that just came off the smoker and plate it on our plates here. We're gonna take our Japanese barbecue sauce. We're gonna put a decent amount more on just as a finishing touch. And we're gonna take our brush. We're gonna brush it on there, dab it up a little bit, get the tops and the bottoms. And just like that, you have an amazing, delicious piece of pecan smoked salmon. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.